Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we're going to break down one of the most important features on the Bumper web app and Bumper in general. Now, you must have heard that it is actually possible for you to send campaigns to your customers through your Bumper web app or through your Bumper app. By campaigns, what I mean is you can send emails, you can send SMS campaigns to your customers, telling them about what you have in stock, what's new, giving them updates, giving them sneak peeks, whatever it is, or even pushing your discounts or pushing your sales. It is all very possible on the Bumper app. And to do that, first of all, you need to understand the campaigns dashboard. So in this video, I'm going to break down the campaigns feature and the campaigns dashboard. To navigate to the campaigns dashboard, you have to come to the menu option on the left side and go to sales and marketing. Now, under sales and marketing, click on campaigns. Awesome. Now we're here on the campaigns dashboard, and this is where you can create a new campaign, which I will break down in the next and subsequent videos. But here, I'm just going to quickly explain to you what everything here means. So first, you can see your credits. Credits are what you use to send emails or SMS to your customers. And here you can see the amount of credits you have and the ones already allocated. And when you click on this button here, you can buy new credits. But I'll also break that down in another video. Next, you will see the total number of campaigns that you've sent. These are all the campaigns, email and SMS together. Then by the side, you would see the total email campaigns and the total SMS campaigns. When you scroll down, you're going to see every single campaign you've sent filtered by email or SMS. When you click on either one, you can see the email and the SMS parts. Then here is all the emails you've sent so far, and the ones that you have in your drafts. So basically, you've drafted these emails, but you haven't sent them out yet. And finally, the ones that you have scheduled. So you've scheduled them to be sent out much later. Yes, you can actually schedule your emails on the Bumper web app. Here, you can search by campaign name. If you just want to search, you can use the search bar here to search by campaign name. And then finally, before I go, here you can click to create a new campaign, be it email or SMS. And I'm going to show you in subsequent videos how to create and send out each. Then here in settings, under campaigns, you can set up welcome emails. So once you toggle this on like this, you can set up a welcome email that goes out to your customer when you add them or when they subscribe to your newsletter. When you click on this, you can edit the contents of your welcome email. So you can edit any part of this to say whatever you want at any point in time. And once you're done, you click on continue and then you click on save. Now note that each welcome email costs you 4 messaging credits per email per customer. So one email to one customer will cost you 4 messaging credits. Now back here, when you click on this, you can see all the email templates that you have available. We have the default one, and then you have the default email templates, and then you have the new sales email templates with more templates coming soon. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll be breaking down more of the things that you can do with the campaign feature on your Bumper web app. See you.